Next we will start from 11th question. In 11th question, figure is given. Draw the figure on your notebooks. Is the point on the side CB produced of an isosceles triangle ABC. What is the meaning of isosceles triangle? Opposite sides are equal. If opposite sides are equal, we can say angle B and C are also equal. Opposite angles of opposite sides. AD is perpendicular to BC. This AD is, so this is 90 degree angle. And EF is perpendicular on AC. Again F is 90. We have to prove triangle ABD. This triangle ABD similar to CEF. This triangle. So it is clear. In triangle ABD angle B. In triangle CEF angle C. Both are equal by this. So we will consider in triangle ABD and triangle ECF angle B is equals to ECF. B is equals to angle C proved above. Angle D in triangle ABD angle D in triangle this angle F each 90. So we can say triangles are similar. ECF by A. Clear? Next question number 12. Again figure we have to draw. Figure is given. This is ABC triangle. PQR. AD is median. PM is again median. What is the meaning of median? Median will divide the third side into two equal parts. AB and BC and median AD. AB and BC and median AD. Of triangle ABC are respectively proportional to the sides PQ, QR and median PM. So all the ratios are equal. This is given. But we have to prove triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Complete triangle. We need these complete triangles are similar. So to prove triangles are similar, we need the result AA rule or SS or SAS. Clear? So see, AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon QR. So we can consider this result first two terms. AB upon PQ. BC can be written as double of BD and QR can be written as double of QM. You can write down third also. Can 2 will be cancelled. Now see, AB upon PQ, BD upon QM, AD upon PM. So we can say these smaller triangles are similar. By SSS rule, if smaller triangles are similar, then we can say angle B is equals to angle Q by CPS. Here, now we have to prove complete triangles are similar. So we will consider complete triangles. In triangle ABC and PQR. So we can write down AB upon PQ is equal equals to BC upon QR. This is given. We are considering only first two terms. Next third, we can consider this angle B is equals to angle Q. So triangles are similar. By which rule? SAS. These two sides AB and BC, and this is the central angle B and Q. So by SAS, triangles are similar. Clear? Next, 13th question. Read the statement and try to draw the figure. From the statement, D is a point on side BC of triangle ABC. This is the triangle ABC. Here D is any point such that ADC, this angle is equals to BAC, this complete angle. We have to show, first of all, write down given angle ADC is equals to angle BAC. To prove, CA squared is equals to CB into C. Prove, consider the triangle in which all the sides are triangle ADC and triangle BAC. This smaller triangle and this complete triangle, because from the smaller triangle we need CA and CD. For the bigger triangle we need CD. So we have to consider this smaller triangle and this complete triangle. In this is the given ADC from the smaller triangle and BAC from the bigger triangle. It is given. What is the second condition? In second condition, angle C is common. So triangles are similar. Now you can write down the ratio. So which ratio you will write? CA upon CB equals to CD. This CD upon CA. So we will consider only those sides which we need in the result. CA, we need CA, CD, CB and CA. We don't need AD. So we will not consider first two letters. Clear? So by cross multiply, CA into CA is CA square. So here CB into C. So this is the result. Next, question number 14. Side AB and AC and median AB. So first of all, draw the figure. ABC is a triangle. Similarly, PQR is a triangle. AD is the median. PM is the median. These are in the proportional. So what is given? AB, AC and AD proportional to PQ, PR and P. Here this is given. We have to show again the complete triangles are similar. How we will solve complete triangles are similar? Again we need ratio of two sides and one angle. Which two sides are given? AB, PQ, AC and PR. So we need this angle. First of all, we have to show this angle A is equals to angle P. In the previous question, ratio of AB and BC is given. AB, BC, PQ, QR. So in that question, firstly we have proved B is equals to Q. Now according to this, these ratios are given, so we have to prove angle A is equals to angle P. For this, you have to do the construction. First we write down the proof, to prove. Then write down construction. For this, we have to do the construction. Which construction we will do? Produce AD to point E such that AD is equals to AD to point E such that AD equals to DE and join C. Similarly in this triangle, so you will write produce PM to point S such that PM is equals to MS and join RS. Clear? So first of all we have to prove angle A equals to B. For this we will prove this smaller angle. If I will prove this smaller angle CAD is equals to RPM, then I can double this angle because this is the median. I can double this angle to prove angle A is equals to angle C. Or you can say similarly you can prove these two angles and then on adding we get this complete angle similar. First of all we need this smaller. So we have need angle ACE, triangle ACE and PRS should be similar. Triangle ACE and triangle PRS should be similar. How to prove these triangles are similar? AC upon PR, it is given. Sorry, AC upon PR, this is given, yes. Again, we need these one more side and one angle. So, first of all, we will consider these two triangles. This triangle ABD and CDE. In these two triangles are congruent. Why? See, I will erase this part. Consider the triangle ABD and triangle CDE. In these two triangles, BD is equals to CD because AD is median. AD is equals to DE by construction. These angles are vertically opposite. Angle ADB is equals to angle CDE, vertically opposite. So triangles are congruent. Triangles are congruent by SCS because in this we had equated the sides, not in ratio. These are exactly equal. So we will write down these are congruent triangles. So if these are congruent, then we can say AD is equals to CE by CP CT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Now consider this given set. Similarly, in these two triangles are similar. PQ is equals to RS. Similarly, no need to prove PQ is equals to RS. Now consider the given term AB upon PQ, AC upon PR, AD upon PR. So replace this AB by CE, PQ by RS, center term same. This AD, if you will multiply it by 2, double of AD, you can write AE, double of PM, you can write PS. So see this CE upon RS, AC upon PR, AE upon PR. So these triangles are similar. So we can write down triangle ACE is similar to triangle PRS by SSSU. If these triangles are similar, then we can say this write down angle 1 and angle 2. Angle 1 is equals to angle 2. Clear? This is by CPST. Similarly, you can write down angle 3 is equals to angle 4. On adding 1 plus 3, we get angle have to prove. Now AB upon PQ, AC upon PR. These sides are also already in proportional. So angle A is equals to angle P. So we can say, write down here firstly AB upon PQ is equals to AC upon PR. These angles are equal, so we can say ABC is similar to triangle PQR by which rule? SAS. Clear? So this all we had done to prove angle A is equals to angle P. To prove angle A is equals to P, we need this smaller part, this angle 1 and 2. To prove angle 1 and 2, we have to do firstly congruency. So do the construction, then prove similar congruent triangle, take the corresponding parts equal. So then consider the given statement, then rename it according to this result. So we get this. It means to say these triangles are similar. According to this, smaller angles are equal. Similarly, we can write down this angle. So on adding complete angles are equal. So this whole we had done to prove angle A is equals to angle P. Clear? If these angles are equal, first two ratios are already in proportional. So we can say triangles are similar by which rule? By SAS, because we are considering two sides and one center. Clear? Next, question number 15. Draw the figure. 15th question. A vertical pole of length 6 meter casts a shadow of 4 meter on the ground, and at the same time a tower casts a shadow 28 meter long. This is the tower and this is the shadow. Shadow is 28 meter long. Find the height of the tower. You see, the shadow is exactly at the same angle because they set at the same time, because the sunlight will be same at the same time. So this tower and this pole and shadow, this tower and shadow will make the same angle. So it need not to be 90 degree, but these angles are same. Clear? So these two angles are same. So this angle should be also same. Clear? So these triangles are similar. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Consider the result of proportionality. AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon QR. Substitute the term. AB is 6, PQ is, we have to find BC 4, QR 28. So PQ is equals to 42 meter or meter. Yes, so this is a simple question. Next, 16. AD and PM are two altitude. Altitude means the perpendicular lines of triangle ABC. AD, triangle PQR, PM, respectively. These are the perpendicular altitudes. It is given triangles are similar. ABC is similar to triangle PQ. Complete triangles are similar, so angles are equal. We have to prove AB upon PQ is equals to AD upon PM. So we need these two triangles should be similar. So this is given. Write down to prove AB upon PQ is equals to AD upon PM. Prove. So these two triangles are similar, so we can say angle B is equals to angle Q, corresponding parts of similar triangle. Now consider this smaller triangle. In triangle ABD and triangle PQM, we can see angle B is equals to angle Q. Give the reason triangles are similar. Angle D is equals to first one, each 90 degree. So triangles are similar. So now consider the ratio. AB upon PQ is equals to AD upon PL. This is YCPS. Clear? So this is your complete exercise 6.3. Hope you all understand all the questions. Thank you.